The FEMEROL 120A portable stick welder offers an impressive welding output range from 20 to 120 amperes, allowing for precise control to achieve optimal welding results. Weighing only 3.2 pounds, this welder is remarkably lightweight and portable, making it ideal for jobs that require mobility or working at heights. With the capability to handle electrodes ranging from 1.6 to 3.2 millimeters, it demonstrates versatility and stable performance thanks to its IGBT inverter technology. The package includes a comprehensive set of accessories such as a ground clamp, welding gloves, folding welding helmet, welding brush, welding rods, toolbox, and cloth bag, providing everything needed for a welding project. Safety is a priority with this welder, featuring an intelligent heat dissipation system and protections against overload and overheating for peace of mind during extended use. FEMEROL stands behind their product with a 2-year guarantee, ensuring that any problems encountered with the welding machine will be addressed.